welcome to another episode. Today, I've been having some issues with the toilet. This is the Thetford Aqua Magic 2, Series 2. It's the low profile. So what's happening is the lever to flush keeps falling off. And there's three locations that it can go on. That it goes on. You have the flapper valve, open and close the flapper. You have the spring, and you have the water back here when you flush. So move it all the way up. The water continues to come out, so you slide it all the way down. You are in a position where you can actually line everything up and put this back on. What's happening over time is this is the only piece, I believe, right here that locks it in. So over time, I guess inside of there, it gets a little loose, and then when you flush it, and you push downward pressure and a little bit of side pressure, it just keeps slipping off. So you can make it kind of temporarily work. What I did is I put it on, and I took some of these boards and just kind of wedged them up against the side over here, so that when you flush, you wouldn't put any sideways pressure on it. Just try to keep it square, keep it on there temporarily. It worked a couple days, and then it stopped working. So today, since the low profile is out of stock, I purchased the Aqua Magic Style 2. This is the high profile. So it's going to give about 3.5 more inches of height to this toilet, and that's fine for me because I'm a taller dude. The only problem that I potentially see is in the back. This water valve, this water service, that comes in low on this toilet. This other one comes in quite higher. So I'm hoping when I take this off, there's going to be some slack underneath here. If there's not, I'm going to have to make some type of connection from this point up to the water connection valve on this taller style. So first thing is to remove these caps, disconnect the water in the back, and get this thing popped off. Let's get obviously, just make sure to turn off the water. Common sense. Oh, I see something beautiful happening. Looks like I'm getting some extra slack. All right. Pull it right off, just like that. I don't know if you can tell, but there's obviously a height difference here. Like I said, you probably have, 3 inches or so. Looks like a little bit more, but all right, let's get this thing set in place. It does come with a flange kit. I'll put these new bolts in. Clean this area up a little bit. Put these new flange bolts in. And I think this is pretty straightforward. So these are the two that I'm dealing with. So take the flange and install the toilet flange. Yeah, it's not for shorties, but it's gonna be good for me. Yeah, nice. Just give it a nice cinch down. Don't over tighten it. I just took and angled it to one side, tightened it by hand, angled it on the other side. You know, just gave it like the toilet a little tip on each side. Just tighten down the water. Mostly by hand. I think it'd be in good shape. I'm gonna turn on the water. Check for any leaks. Clean up this area, and we are good to go. There's the new install. All right, so that's gonna do it. It's a simple install, common sense. So, you know, if you found some use out of this, maybe hit the like button, hit subscribe. You know, I put some of these videos on just to help, you know, whoever's out there out. You know, these are things that I need to get done on my RV anyway. So, hey, we'll see you on the next one. God bless.